A 5.8, information security in project management. So what's required? Well, unsurprisingly, it states that information security shall be integrated into project management. So what does that actually mean? Well, it's fairly simple. It's actually saying to you that you need to be able to evidence that where there are projects being undertaken, that you are assessing information security risks, that you are considering how that project might have an impact upon your information security management systems. So ask your organization with your project management methodology, where does security sit? Is it at the very beginning? Do you identify and assess risks, threats, and vulnerabilities? Or do you do that somewhere in the middle? Do you do that somewhere at the end? Now, obviously, the preference is to do it at the beginning, that you, when you're doing the project initiation, that you sit down and you say, right, okay, so we're going to be doing X and we know we're going to go into a new market, or we're using a new technology. What new risks and issues does that introduce to us as an organization? An example here is I was speaking to someone just the other day who was talking about how they were moving their backup solution from on-premise to a cloud solution. What's the risks associated to that? What are the issues that we may face? There may be a legal and regulatory impact from an EU GDPR or a UK Data Protection Act, or wherever you are in the world data protection regulation. So when you're implementing a change in your organization, you have a project, where do you evidence that security is being considered? In some larger organizations, that might be a very formal approach. In smaller organizations, it can be just as simple as an email between you and your colleagues that simply say, we're looking to move this service or do this particular thing. Here are some of the key risks and issues that I think we need to be aware of. What do we need to do to control those risks? And again, it's just about what evidence you can provide to the auditor. But more importantly, how can you ensure you aren't introducing new risks by making a change through your project management? So there you are. Simple, right? I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please do share this. Remembering every time you like this or comment, it helps with the algorithms and it helps share this. So it might be useful for you, but it might be absolutely vital to someone else. So please do. But until next time, stay well, stay safe, and stay connected. All the best. Bye.